If you found that Safari is crashing on your iPhone after an iOS update, I totally get how annoying that can be. This problem usually pops up due to software glitches, cache issues, or compatibility conflicts. But don't worry, I've got some simple steps for you to troubleshoot and fix the issue. So let's dive in. Solution 1. Restart Safari. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Next, look through the list of open apps and find Safari. After that, swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it completely. Finally, reopen Safari and see if the problem still happens. Solution 2. Disable Safari extensions. Begin by opening Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, scroll down to find Safari. Tap on Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or just remove them. Remember, extensions can sometimes mess with Safari's functionality. Solution 3. Clear Safari cache and website data. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Keep scrolling until you find Safari. Tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your choice by tapping Clear History and Data. Now scroll down again and tap on Advanced. Next, tap on Website Data. Finally hit Remove all website data. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing those pesky crashes. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Open Settings again, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. If there's an update waiting for you, just tap Download and Install. Sometimes, Apple rolls out patches for bugs that have been causing issues in the latest update. Solution 5. Free up storage space. Start by opening Settings. Next, tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Check to see if you have enough storage available. If your storage is running low, go ahead and delete any unnecessary apps or files to free up some space. By following these steps, you should be able to sort out the crashing issue with Safari on your iPhone after that iOS update. If you're still having trouble, it might be a good idea to reach out to Apple support for a little extra help. Happy browsing!